welcome back to Wedding Composers. In this video, I'll show you how a vendor can complete their DJ service form. Once you log into your vendor account, you will reach your dashboard. On the left side, you'll have an Add Service tab. Once you click on the Add Service, you will be redirected to choose a service category, which we will be choosing DJ music type, and it will redirect you to the form that you need to complete. On this form, anything that has a red asterisk next to it is a mandatory field and needs to be completed in order to get the best possible matched job from a couple. Under service name, you will write the service name for your DJ service request. And sometimes DJs have multiple services under one business entity, so this is a better way to distinguish when the job comes in for which service it's for. We'll just write test. When you scroll down, it's just the basic information for your business, deposit policy, how much you take at deposit, balance due, how many days prior to the event do you take your final payment, do you offer installments? That's if you offer multiple payment options. If you do, you click on yes and click on the number of installments you offer besides the deposit and final payment. When you keep scrolling, you have your business insurance. You will indicate if you have business insurance or what type of business insurance you have, and the couple will be able to see it under your vendor preview profile page. We have a little disclaimer here. We do advise you read it, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. States served. You will indicate what states you cater to. If you are a traveling DJ, you will indicate all the states you're willing to travel to. If you just cater to one state, you will choose it so. Distance willing to travel is how far you're willing to travel from your business address if you're just choosing one state. If you're choosing other states outside your business address, our platform will assume the entire state. So we'll just choose 1,000. Peak season months is when you are the busiest. You will choose those months here. And you will choose the peak season booking minimum. So whatever value you indicate here, you will not get any jobs below that value unless you click and check mark this box. During peak season, do you want to receive requests for preferred job budgets below the minimum? So let's say if you choose all, during peak season, if a job comes in below 1,000, you will receive those jobs as well as jobs that are over 1,000. If you click 25%, it will be 25% of 1,000 and above. Or if you click 10%, it will be 10% of 1,000 and above. You could ignore this question for now. Off-season months, these are the months that are not your peak season months. And you would follow the same process as in peak season. Do you provide virtual wedding services? This is if you provide live streaming. If you do, you click yes. If you don't, you click no. Pet friendly, LGBTQ plus friendly, this is used for matching only. The couple will never see this on their end. If you are a pet friendly vendor and LGBTQ plus friendly vendor, you will indicate these fields. If you do offer specials for military personnel, this is not for matching. This is just something for the couple to see if you do offer, and if they're a military service member, they will be able to see that on your vendor profile. Minimum number of hours, this is how many hours is minimal in your package to take on a job. DJ bands, music services offered, you will select all that apply to your business. If you can choose one, multiple, or all of them. You could click select all of them are chosen for you, or deselect. If you know exactly what choice you're looking for, you can just type it, and if it's an option that we provide, it will pop up and you could just click on it. It will save you time. Or you could just choose multiple as well. Same thing for music types offered. You can choose all the musics that you offer as a DJ. And if you do choose religious and international, 2 subcategories appear, and you could choose from the selection we offer. If you know, again, the type of music you offer, you can type it in free text, and it will pop up if it's one of the options we do offer. Same thing for international. Equipment offered, same goes as applied above. You would just choose what you offer for your business. Notification settings, all notifications are defaulted to email, so you will receive any notifications from wedding composers or the couple via email. If you choose to receive a text as well, you will select and check mark which notifications you choose to have and receive via text. And it will be text sent to the email to the phone number you provided during your business setup. If you choose to provide your notification sent to a different phone number, you will indicate it here. Links, can add any external social media links, your website, any other review links you would just add here, and they will be visible to the couple under your vendor profile page. Images, you could upload your service business logo as well as your service images. We offer up to 20 images or up to 256 megabytes. Contract, over here you would just upload your general contract stating all your deposit policies, your cancellations policies. Later on, when you are booking a job, you will have a more customizable contract for the couple. And you have the option to either upload a file or send a contract link. Business info is just a little business description about who you are and what your company is all about. And payment methods. Here you will choose all the payments that you accept. Then you will click Review Service. If for some reason you need to edit some category, you can click Edit, and it will redirect you straight to the place in the form where you need to edit that field. Once you edit that field, you click Review Service again. You could scroll all the way down. You have the ability to preview profile. That is exactly what the couple will see on their end when they open and view your vendor profile. As you can see, since we didn't upload any photos, there are 0 photos to show. Click off. Once you confirm your service, you will be redirected. You have the ability to either add another service or go straight to your dashboard. As always, we're looking forward to working with you.